Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a successful affiliate blog with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your niche. Choose a topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Conduct market research to identify potential affiliate products. Sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Visit the Wix website and create an account if you don't have one. Choose a template that suits your blog's style and purpose. Customize the template by adding your personal branding elements. Create essential pages like About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Begin writing high-quality, engaging content related to your niche. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Ensure that each post includes calls to action, encouraging readers to click your links. Optimize your posts for SEO by using relevant keywords. Add images and other media to make your content visually appealing. Utilize Wix's blog features like categories and tags for better organization. Promote your posts on social media to attract more traffic. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Monitor your blog's performance using Wix Analytics. Adjust your content strategy based on performance data. Continue to produce regular content to keep your audience engaged. Build an email list to keep readers updated on new posts and products. Stay informed about affiliate marketing trends to enhance your strategy. Foster relationships with other bloggers for networking opportunities. Consider investing in Wix's premium features for enhanced functionality. Gradually scale your blog by exploring new affiliate programs and content ideas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.